Imagine double clicking on a file like this one and creating 1,000 folders. So let's go and learn how we can do that. So to give our video a context, I want to create a folder for each and every country. I might have so many of them going all the way. Maybe it can go all the way to maybe 1,000 or maybe beyond that. The normal way will be you just copy the name, then you go to your folder, you right click, you click on new, go to folder, then Control V to paste the name. And then you proceed to the next one, Control copy. So the same thing, right click, go to new folder, then you paste the name. And when you have an error like this one because of the misspellings, you'll have to struggle. So instead of doing that, we can create a file that will be able to do that automatically for us. So to start off, I want to create a new column here, Control Shift plus, and now I have a column. Then copy the first cell, then paste it here. The aim is to add MD in front of the name, and then duplicate that all the way down. So we want to add MD in front of every name we have here. So because we are done with the first one, all I need to do here is to just press on Control E like that, and I'll have all the names starting with MD. So I hope up to that point you're okay. So Control Shift down so that we copy the whole of that column. Control copy. And then we open our notepad because that's why we want to create the batch file. So paste. We paste what we copied from the Excel. And now we are done with the Excel part. And then you save it in the folder where you want to create all those folders in. So those will be now subfolders. Okay, so you just choose any name, like let's say something like that. This is the second one. I already have a working one there, so we want to create a second one. And this is very important. Make sure that the file extension is .bat. So whatever the name that you give it, make sure at the end you have .bat. So this is a Windows batch file. So you click on save and you can close your notepad and anything else. So in the folder we now have two files. We are interested in the one that we have created just right now. And if I just double click on it like that, I have all the folders. So if you're gaining value, like the video and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you get to be notified every time I upload something as interesting as this.